Fabulous 103 FM with Kru Fon at Thai Time. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
I think this one is easy because you just put it in the wash machine and that's it. But some they don't have. So
Right.
you have to do it with the hands.
Oh, yeah.
So it's going to be ซักผ้า
Sak. Is it, what's the
กอ
silent?
ไก่
Sag, but with a silent
Yeah,
J.
ซัก
Sag pa.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
So is the laundry?
Yeah, do the laundry.
Oh, it's a verb.
Yeah,
Pom sak pa.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
I do the laundry.
Yes.
There you go. Sag pa. The laundry.
Yep.
Fabulous 103. See you tomorrow. And don't forget that Thai Time Every Day is sponsored by and produced by the Pattaya Language Centre, which is run by Kru Fon and two other Thai ladies, all with degrees and all teaching English, Thai and German. So if you or your family want to catch up and improve, especially right now, online, visit our website alwayspattaya.com and look for the link.